What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, today's video is very unfortunate, actually. I think I might be able to get footage from what happened this morning, especially because we do have a Wolfbox dash cam. So I will try my best to get that out and put it in this video. But basically, check out this damage. Yeah. So, what happened, and all of a sudden we hear a loud boom, and little do we know, our fan, radiator fan, is no longer with us. It actually blew up into pieces, breaking this. The engine cover also broke. And down below, it actually just disconnected the lines for the transmission right there, and it spilled a lot of transmission oil. So that's what happened. We had to baby the truck back home, which she took it like a champ. We honestly drove it, I want to say maybe an hour. She was amazing, no problem, no overheating or anything like that. And mainly because we were on the freeway, so you know, she would cool down with the air. So yeah, I went to the parts store and got what I believe we need. So we should be able to swap this up, no problem. It's just crazy how things happen out of the blue, man. Guys, so this is the only thing that's left from the fan itself. All the plastic broke, and yeah, we're just hoping that this is the one that I got from AutoZone. Here's a part number here, the 0620-565. Let's just hope this one is it. Pero más o menos sé dónde estoy, en la esa. Alright, this is the new one. Let's just compare it. Yeah, looks like it'll fit. Sweet. All right, next up, we have a 15/16 or a 24, I think it's equivalent. We need to get the fill plug removed, and then I need to turn on the truck, get it to temperature. After it gets to temperature, then I'll need to start filling in the ATF fluid. This is our check plug. That's our drink plug. We don't need to open this one. It'll be just this one with the 5 Allen. And once it's filling, look at there. All right, guys, so temperature is now where it has to be. It's in the middle. It's not overheating. That's great. So we're done with that. This is what we're going to be using. I got this for maybe about 10 bucks at AutoZone. It's called the transfer pump, and I hope this helps me move all the oil into the fill plug. This is the oil that we're going to be using. It's Valvoline Max Life Multi-Vehicle Automatic Transmission Fluid. And I believe I should be able to get away with using just one of these, but I did buy two just in case. All right, guys, just to get a quick recap, the equipment that we got today, again, it wasn't that expensive. This worked amazing. Honestly, highly recommend it. Even, obviously, you could do other stuff with it, like just like, you know, like fill it in transmission oil or your differentials or whatever it is. So this is a pretty cool pump. Not to mention, in my case, in this scenario, I did actually used 98%, 99% of the fluid. You can see there's still a little bit left, but honestly, it's pretty much gone. So we ended up only needing one of it, one of these jugs. And yeah, so right now we got to run through the shifts, and everything should work just that. And well, other than that, guys, everything worked beautifully. It all came together. The fan is obviously running, no problem. We did put the last coil pack, which I missed to put it the last time. I couldn't find it. Order a new one, and it's good to go. Obviously refilled the transmission using this oil here. All right, and this is 1 gallon or 3.78 liters. So there you have it. I love this pump. This pump is amazing. And yeah, you know, things happen for a reason, guys, and I'm just thankful that the fan didn't actually cut through the line, because if it would have cut through one of the two transmission lines, then that would have been a totally different story, right? It just simply took them out of the place. I didn't have like many tools. Well, honestly, the only tool I really would have needed would have been a plier, you know, some pliers. I didn't have pliers with me, but you know, I had a force and twist at the same time, got the hose to go back in, and it brought us back home. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share to your friends and family, and see you on the next one. Peace.